You wanna go for a walk? You wanna go for a walk? Indy is a rescue pet. Indy's actually a double rescue pet. I just got the text message a few weeks ago. Will you take Indy so I don't have to put him down? All right, no sweat. I think that's that. I had just purchased a new home, and the former guardian is going to lace us up with a doggy door. Indy and I go for a lot of walks. And when we go for walks, he gets a lot of compliments. We're going down to Tippy Town Lake. It's our favorite spot. And he likes it.
Oh, I love your dog. How beautiful.
Yep, very good. Come on, we'll go around. We'll go around. No worries.
Hey, is that a pit bull you got there? Nice. I see that. Mine's better.
Yeah, right on. Look at that, Indy. You got a doppelganger.
Oh man, that's a beautiful dog.
Bark, 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 says the dog. Bark, 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 says Indy the dog. Hey, Indy the dog. Come on. Come on. No, no. Dang it, Indy. You can't do that. You can't. All right? I didn't see what it was. I mean, what if I would have wanted some? Hey, buddy. You did good.